today we're looking at these Wildventure blankets. These are kind of a multi-purpose blanket. You can use them for picnics and for inside because they're warm enough, but you can also use them camping and things like that. Normally when I do an unboxing like this or show off a product, I have it out of the box. But I wanted to show actually the packaging because I thought this was so cool. The way that they send these to you are in these cool boxes like this. So I actually haven't even looked at them yet. I thought I'd do an actual unboxing. So we're going to go ahead and open them up and we'll show you what we've got. Alright, so it comes in a tote. That's pretty cool. And we can just open that up. So kind of like your camping gear. And it rolls up just like camping gear, like a sleeping bag. And it looks like they have just double folded it, and it snaps. That's kind of cool. So if you want to snuggle up in it, you can leave part of it snapped up to make sure that the cold isn't coming in or whatever. So one side we've got the cloth, and then the other side you have a water resistant fabric. So this is kind of ideal for camping. But it's light enough, and actually the reason I got it is I wanted some that I could use here in the house when I'm not camping that would work just as blankets, like throw blankets that we could put downstairs in the theater room or something like that, and then that we could roll up and use camping. Because I found with the blankets I take camping, I usually end up just taking fleece blankets anyways because it's too much of a pain to store all our camping stuff separately and never use it. And so I wanted to get some of these so I could actually use it when I'm not camping. We're going on a picnic today and we're going to bring these along. So I showed you the burgundy one. I got both of the colors. So let me open and show you this one as well. Should I put on some elevator music for the opening? Alright. So here we go. And this one, we'll unsnap it. This is the one I wanted the most. I love orange. And so I got me an orange one, and it on the flip side is gray as well. But here you go, you've got all the snaps. And there's your blanket. Perfect. Alright, this is the Wildventure Hexi Do Anything Blanket. The cool thing about this blanket is it's 100% polyester, but it has an outer shell that repels moisture, so you can take it camping and outdoors and things like that for picnics and stuff. And then it has the inner shell, again 100% polyester, to keep you warm. So it's great for the outdoors and the indoors, and that's why I got it. I want to stay inside with it, keep warm, and use it all year long, but then it folds up or rolls up into a camp-like thing, so we can take it out, and we're going to take it out today on our picnic. It's only 1.9 pounds, so it's super light, and size-wise it's 80 inches by 50 inches, so it's big enough to keep me warm, but it's not a huge blanket. One of the cool things about it is it comes with these snaps, and so you can actually snap it together to hold your warmth in. So if you want to snap it and put your feet at the bottom or whatever, that's kind of a cool feature you don't typically get on camping blankets or anything, but this isn't a camping blanket, it's a do anything blanket, so it has a few extra features, which is really cool. If you want to get one, I'll put a link in the description below which will take you on to Amazon so you can pick one of these bad boys up. They're fantastic blankets.